Okay, today's daily weather forecast is really cold, stormy, thunder and lightning, rain, and horrible. Here in Southern California County, Los Angeles County, city of Alhambra. This is it. It's been raining, thunder and lightning, dry tropical weather all night long and all morning long. It's gonna be like this probably till like in the evening. Probably till I don't know when it's gonna last, but it's gonna be a while. Probably by maybe 1 or 2 o'clock in the evening or something. Maybe even longer than that. Maybe 4 o'clock. I don't know. Anyways, it's been really, really freaking miserable. Okay? Everybody has to just deal with the shitty ass weather every freaking year. This is freaking June 22nd, 2022. Yeah, it's been just going on all freaking night long, and everybody's freaking fed up with it, and I'm freaking fed up with it. Oh my goodness gracious. Too bad I can't really turn around this stupid camera while I'm making a video. So I'm gonna get a little close up here with whatever it is over here in the street. But I don't want to get my tablet wet. I just kind of turn it around a little bit just to show everybody what it looks like from up there. Look at all that. Yep. Whoa. Yep. Up fucking. All right, y'all. Whoa.